Good morning. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but we had, I'm sure many of you have also experienced the extremely cold nights over the last month or so. They don't appear to be interested in the food, but there's a fish right there. There's a fish over there. There's a couple, I think 3 or 4 over on that edge. The ice is starting to get soft enough that I was able to break a hole through it. I think the reason the fish are congregating, and I'll show you this in a minute, I think the reason that they're congregating on this surface is because this water has not been oxygenated for a long time. Not since the water froze. They are not trapped in the ice as far as I can tell. I do not see any of the fish trapped in the ice, although it's possible that some of the junk that I'm seeing is actually fish that are trapped in the ice, but I don't think so. I'm seeing smaller fish, only small ones, no big ones. There's one over there. Over time, not only will this melt, but I'll continue to enlarge this hole. I can't turn the pumps on yet. This is the warmest of the tanks. You can see the fish right here and one in that hole that I broke this morning. There are fish in the corners around the edges where the ice breaks off, and fish congregating along the ice under the edges. I also noticed this morning that there's a whole bunch of fish crowding in the corner in the hole that I created yesterday. I think they're just trying to get oxygen. I need to get the ice broken off of this and get the pumps going again. But we do have survivors. I haven't seen any fish in the tank that's over here or the tank that's over here, but have not been able to break holes in the ice there yet. They are the coldest tanks, so I will continue to enlarge these holes and see if we can free up the fishies. Let them enjoy some oxygen for a change. Yeah, let them get some air. Let's feed them. I normally don't feed them this food, but the other sinks, and they are apparently wanting to stay near the surface. They do not appear to be interested. They're really lethargic. That's just understandable. I think if I'd been in 33-degree water, freezing water, for a month, I think I'd be a little bit lethargic too. Took a bunch of the big chunks of ice out because the little tiny ones were up on top of the ice floes and they weren't able to get off. I just need to break things open a little bit more so that they can get what they need. I will talk with you later.